Dyson are always coming up with better ways to keep your home spotless. Their latest offering is no different. The V11 Absolute isn't just any cordless vacuum cleaner. When it's in auto mode, it automatically adjusts the motor speed based on the surface you're cleaning. Effortlessly glide from one room to the next and get the same fantastic results, no matter the surface type. This vacuum cleaner captures dirt and dust you didn't even know was there. The high torque cleaner head and stiff nylon bristles offer deeper cleaning on carpets, while the carbon fibre filaments keep hard floors sparkling without damaging them. Looking to get the whole house done in one go? Easy. The long-lasting battery has a 60-minute runtime in eco mode, more than enough to clean every room before putting it back on charge for the next day. With a whole machine filtration system, it's able to capture 99.97% of dust particles, even if they're microscopic. It's even certified asthma and allergy friendly. Vacuuming doesn't need to be a chore. This Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner makes light work of things.